Imperator. This is the large orange carrot most people recognize from grocery stores. It was developed for mass farming because it grows long, smooth, and straight. Imperator carrots are usually sweet with a firm texture, which makes them popular for snacking, juicing, and cooking. Their long shape also makes them easy to package and transport. Nantes. Nantes carrots are shorter and more cylindrical than Imperator carrots. They are known for having a very sweet flavor and a crisp but tender bite. Because they have less of a woody core, many people consider them one of the best carrots for eating raw. They are especially popular in home gardens because they grow well in different soil conditions. Danvers. Danvers carrots were originally developed in the United States during the 19th century. They are slightly wider at the top and taper down toward the tip. These carrots are valued for their ability to grow in heavier soils where longer carrots might struggle. Their strong flavor makes them common in soups, stews, and roasted dishes. Chantenay. Chantenay carrots are short, thick, and broad near the shoulders. They were designed to thrive in rocky or shallow soil where long carrots cannot develop properly. Even though they are smaller, they are packed with flavor and become especially sweet when cooked. Their sturdy shape also makes them resistant to breaking during harvest. Baby carrots. Baby carrots are often misunderstood because many are actually cut and shaped from larger carrots. These small pieces became popular because they are convenient and easy to snack on. True baby carrots also exist, harvested early before reaching full size. Both versions are valued for their sweetness, portability, and smooth texture. Purple carrots. Purple carrots are one of the oldest carrot varieties in history. Before orange carrots became dominant, purple carrots were grown across parts of Asia and the Middle East. Their deep color comes from anthocyanins, the same pigments found in blueberries. Many people enjoy them for their slightly spicy flavor and striking appearance. Yellow carrots. Yellow carrots contain different natural pigments than orange varieties. They tend to have a milder and earthier flavor with less bitterness. Historically, yellow carrots were grown long before orange carrots became widespread in Europe. Their bright color makes them popular in mixed vegetable dishes and decorative cooking. White carrots. White carrots lack the orange pigment known as beta-carotene. They often have a softer, sweeter flavor compared to darker varieties. Some white carrots were originally used as animal feed, but modern varieties are now cultivated for culinary use as well. Their pale appearance creates a unique contrast in salads and roasted meals. Red carrots. Red carrots get their color from lycopene, the same antioxidant found in tomatoes. They are especially popular in parts of India and Asia, where they are used in desserts, juices, and traditional dishes. Red carrots often have a sweeter and richer flavor than standard orange carrots. Their vivid color also makes them stand out in fresh markets. Black carrots. Black carrots appear almost dark purple or black on the outside. They are rich in antioxidants and have been cultivated for centuries in regions like Turkey and the Middle East. These carrots are commonly used to create natural food coloring and traditional fermented drinks. Their earthy taste is stronger and more intense than many lighter varieties. Parisian carrots. Parisian carrots are small and nearly round instead of long. They were developed for compact urban gardens and shallow soil conditions. Their shape makes them easy to grow in containers and raised beds. Despite their unusual appearance, they are sweet, tender, and often served whole in gourmet cooking.